Today we're taking a recipe that went viral on YouTube and adapting it to be diabetes-friendly. We're making a zucchini wrap, and afterwards we'll look at its glycemic and nutritional values. We don't know what the original tastes like, but our diabetes-friendly version turned out delicious. So let's get started. Take one medium zucchini, cut off both ends, then use a vegetable peeler to make long, thin slices. We got 17 slices, each weighing around 7 grams, for a total of 120 grams of zucchini. Meanwhile, finely grate 100 grams of mild cheese. Line a baking tray with baking paper and spread 70 grams of the grated cheese over it. That's just over half. Now arrange the zucchini slices over the cheese, slightly overlapping each one. Once they're in place, sprinkle the remaining cheese over the top. Now we can bake it. Set the oven to 200 degrees Celsius using top and bottom heat. Place the tray on the lower rack and bake for 18 to 20 minutes. The zucchini and cheese should be nicely golden brown. Our 20 minutes are up, so let's take the tray out. As you can see, we now have a beautifully browned zucchini wrap base. First, add a pinch of salt, followed by the same amount of black pepper. Then add a little garlic powder and finally some paprika. Now spread 1 tablespoon of cream cheese, half of the wrap. We used strained kefir to keep the net carbohydrate content even lower. But regular cream cheese works well too. We've thinly sliced half a tomato, around 80 grams. Next, place 3 large slices of smoked turkey on the wrap. One slice weighed about 21 grams, giving us around 63 grams in total. Add the tomato slices, then place about 15 rocket leaves on top. And now it's time to roll the wrap. Roll it carefully until you have a nice, firm roll. At this point, it's getting difficult to wait before tasting it. Cut the wrap into 2 pieces, and as you can see, even our cat joined the shot and seems excited about it. And there we have it, 2 portions of our diabetes-friendly zucchini wrap. It's very easy to make and tastes absolutely delicious. Enjoy! Now let's look at the nutritional values of each portion and see why we created this recipe. One filling portion contains about 4.5 grams of net carbohydrates. As you can see, its estimated glycemic index and glycemic load are both very low. It also provides around 20 grams of protein, 15 grams of fat, and 235 kilocalories. With its low glycemic impact and high protein content, this is a diabetes-friendly meal that can also fit into low-carb, ketogenic, and calorie-conscious diets. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching until the end. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to DiabeticChefs, and leave us a comment. We'll see you in our next recipe. Until then, take care and stay healthy.